This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to sew a flat piece worked in the round to your amigurumi project. This is the method I use to attach anything from spots to belly patches. Using this technique, you will have a flawless edge that mimics the top of a crochet stitch with zero puckering. As an example, I will sew the belly onto Dante the Dragon. This dragon crochet pattern is available for free at jesshuff.com. I've included a link to the pattern in the video description. To start, grab your flat piece, whether it's a spot, a belly, or something else. Make sure there's a long tail attached for sewing. Position it to your liking on the body, then secure it with straight pins. Now thread the long tail through a yarn needle. We're going to be working along the inside edge of the top of the stitches of the final round. We're going to be using a back stitch, so we'll be placing our needle 2 stitches forward, 1, 2, and then exiting the needle 1 stitch back. So again, place your needle 2 stitches forward, then exit the needle 1 stitch back. I've done a few stitches now, and this gives you an idea of what the finished product will look like. Complete this process all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, I am on my last stitch here, so I'll go ahead and pull that through. Then we're going to fasten off with a knot. And we're going to try to do that under the lip of the flat piece so it won't show. And then we're going to hide this tail inside the work. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!